Hello students. Now today we will start a new topic, that is trigonometrical ratio. Now firstly we will go through the previous concept of the Pythagoras theorem, that is whenever we have the 90-degree angle triangle, the opposite side of the 90-degree is always hypotenuse, and we can take one of both these sides as the base or another side as the perpendicular. This is not compulsory that we will take this as a base or this as a base. This is your choice. I am taking base here and perpendicular here. Now in previous concept, this both are the choices. But in the new case, in the new topic, in new concept, the trigonometrical ratio, we don't have any choice to select base or perpendicular. Now we already know that 90 degree, the opposite side of the 90 degree is always hypotenuse. But for the base and the perpendicular in trigonometry, suppose we have angle B as the theta. Angle B, that is theta, is given. It is maybe 20 degree, it is maybe 45, 30, 60, 95, any angle, that is the theta. We will take it as theta. Now the opposite side of the theta, the opposite side of the theta is always perpendicular. Here we don't have any choice. The opposite side of the hypotenuse, the opposite side of the 90 degree is always hypotenuse, and the opposite side of the theta is always perpendicular, and the rest of the side is, we will call it as base. Now suppose we have theta given here, so we already know this is the 90-degree angle, it means it is hypotenuse, and the opposite side of the theta, the opposite side of this angle is perpendicular, and the rest side is base. The base and the perpendicular can interchange according to the theta. If theta is here, then perpendicular we will take AC. If theta is here, then we will take perpendicular BC. If you will not change the perpendicular or base, then your answer will not come. So you have to focus on this. Now the trigonometrical ratio, we have the 6 trigonometrical ratios, or in short we can say 6T ratio: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent. Now in the short form we will say sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Now you have to learn this table. That is so easy. If you will not learn this table, then these 6 formulas are very hard to learn. So you have to learn this easy table, that is sine, cos, tan. You have to write in this sequence only. This is the fixed places of these T ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, secant, then after that cot. In we will write P, B, P, H, H, B, or in simply we can say Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole. So this is the way to learn this table. It will not you will not forget this. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole. So sine, opposites of sine is cosecant, cos के opposite secant, tan के opposite हमेशा आएगा cot. Now we have one triangle. We are going to write here the formula of these 6 T ratios. Here we have the triangle ABC. B is 90 degree and angle A is theta. Here we have A. So it means firstly we will write where is the hypotenuse, 90 degree, opposite 90 degree, here we have hypotenuse. Opposite to angle, opposite to theta, we have perpendicular, and the rest of the side is base. very first thing you have to find out these three: perpendicular, hypotenuse or base. Now sine A. I'm going to write down the formula of sine A. So according to the table, sine is P divided by H. According to the table is P divided by H. According to the table, P divided by H. What is P? P is BC. And what is H? H is AC. Now second formula, cosec A. Cosecant A में आपको अब क्या लिखना है, आपको साइन P डिवाइडेड बाय H लोगे और कोसेक में लोगे H डिवाइडेड बाय P. सो H डिवाइडेड बाय P और रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ साइन. H is AC and P is BC. Now cos A, cos is B divided by H, cos is B divided by H, B AB, H AC. Now reciprocal this, B divided by H, which is equals to H divided by B, H is AC divided by AB. From this table you can write secant A, H divided by B, H is AC and B is AB. Now tan A, P divided by P, P divided by B, P is BC and B is AB. Now reciprocal of tan is B divided by P, which is equals to AB divided by BC. Now one more important thing, that is the formulas, that is sine theta is always equals to 1 divided by cosec theta, or cosec theta is always equals to 1 divided by sine theta. Second, cos theta is always equals to 1 divided by sec theta, or sec theta is equals to 1 divided by cos theta. Now third, tan theta is equals to 1 divided by cot theta, or cot theta is equals to 1 divided by tan theta. Now one more formula, which is tan theta is always equals to sine theta divided by cos theta. When we will divide these two, sine theta divided by cos theta, we always get tan theta. And fifth formula, that is cot theta is equals to reciprocal of tan. Cot is reciprocal of tan, means reciprocal of this cos theta divided by sine theta. So these are the important formulas. One more thing I want to tell, that is now sixth formula is when we will multiply sine theta with cosec theta, we always get 1. Why we will get 1? Because sine theta into cos theta, cosec theta is 1 divided by sine theta. They will cancel with each other and automatically we will get 1. 7 is cos theta into sec theta is equals to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1.